See you, Tesla. You're gonna have to catch the next video so you can see my Porsche gets here in 3 hours and I'm pumped. You hear that? Hey, there it is. What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith and the weather is terrible, but this day is fantastic because I'm about to take delivery of the brand new Porsche Porsche Taycan. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. So James just told me that it's Porsche Taycan, Porsche Tay something. It's a really cool car. Let's check it out. Where are you coming from?
From Phoenix.
Oh wow, that's a trip. Does the Tesla stop in Idaho Falls too?
No, Tesla going to Washington, Vancouver.
Oh, okay, very cool. We can go over here where it's not quite so gnarly. All right, guys, we decided to come over here and film by the garbage can just to give us a good backdrop. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name's Chandler. I've been investing in real estate for the last 8 years, and I currently own 123 units of rental real estate. I also have some storage units that I own and another 86 storage units under contract, as well as an 11plex under contract. But today we're talking about cars because I'm taking delivery of the Porsche Taycan. Now, we're gonna go into the garage because I'm sure you can't hear anything with this wind. Last year, all that I owned was a Tesla Model 3, the Ford Raptor, and a Lexus. However, I got a little bit of a car addiction. So I purchased the C8 Corvette from the Stradman, and then I purchased the Ferrari 458 Spider. Now, if you followed the channel, you know that I listed all of my cars for sale, and right now, I don't know if we're actually gonna sell these or not. We do have a pretty serious buyer on the Ferrari, but it continues to go up in value right now. So honestly, I'll probably just sit on it if somebody doesn't get aggressive for it. But if you are interested, we'll put the link down in the description. However, there is one very sad thing I have to show you. You will see that this is an empty spot in my garage. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, Chandler, you have a car out in the cold, why didn't you pull that in? That's a fantastic question. I don't know what to tell you other than the fact that I actually got rid of the Tesla today, my Tesla Model 3 Performance, and it's surprising, but this has really hurt me in my soul because I absolutely love that car. As far as daily driver goes, it was the best of the best, and I'm really hoping that the Porsche can compete. Now, if you don't follow the channel, you probably also don't know that I have the brand new Tesla Plaid coming in, the Tesla Model S Plaid, and I was hoping that that would be here already. However, I still haven't been given a VIN. You have to wait till you're given a VIN and then things move pretty quick. I thought the car was gonna get here in July because that's what the guy told me, but I don't even have a VIN yet. So hopefully we'll have it here in, I don't know, mid-August, late August. He said worst case scenario, the beginning of September. So I don't know what to think. I just know if Tesla tells you something, you should always add a couple months or a couple years or more than a couple years. Just kind of depends. One thing I will say is I talked very negatively about the Tesla when it came to the range and a lot of the new tech that I didn't understand. I put out a ton of videos that actually got a lot of views because people really want to know about the Tesla. And it's weird because even though I sold the Tesla just a couple hours ago, I really miss it, and I'm really hopeful that the Porsche will compete, at least in the meantime or the interim, until the Plaid shows up. Now, I don't know the fate of these cars yet, but they've been fantastic. However, today's video is going to be about the Porsche, and unfortunately for me, I'm just going to show you us taking delivery right now, and then I'm gonna film the rest of this video on a better day because it is absolutely miserable out there, and I kind of want to just pull the car in and just admire it new and fresh and clean before I go and drive it in the rain. Now, I'm sure I'm gonna get some heat for saying that because a car is meant to be driven, but I'm gonna take it out for a spin tomorrow when it's a little bit warmer. So let's go see if he's ready to take it off the truck thing, the trailer. Last thing I want to add, make sure that you buy real estate first and build up a passive income so that then you can afford the fun stuff. That's something I held very firm to, and I've pushed the line more and more. Usually I had a ton of leftover passive income. I've blown it all right now because of all the cars. That's why I probably need to sell some. But do it the right way so that then you don't have to stress and you can make these fun purchases. And I waited a long time before I could make these purchases, but now I can because of the real estate that I've purchased. So if you want to learn more about how to invest in real estate, you can go check out my channel, or you can click the link below and pick up my real estate investing course. Let's go look at the car. I want to go see a sneak peek. I should wait, but I've never seen one of these in person. Dude. Wow. That is a very beautiful car. Your job is very stressful getting in and out of these cars, huh?
It's okay, not without stress.
Yeah, you got it. How fitting that the Tesla came on the same truck. We're gonna get to see them side by side because my Tesla just left. Gonna be honest though, this car is definitely the better looking car between the Model 3 and the Porsche. Like, no comparison, definitely the better looking car. And unfortunately, I think that the Porsche is even better looking than the Plaid. Like, honestly, I think it's a much classier looking car than the Model S Plaid. But I guess we'll see when that shows up. So the new Teslas actually have this thing where they make a noise. I think it was a rule that they had to change it so they make a little bit more noise. I could be wrong on this, but all of my buddies that have bought new ones make that noise, and I think it has something to do with animals or letting people know you're coming or whatever else that is. And it's probably a good idea because in my Tesla, I've hit literally like a dozen birds because it made no noise, the Model 3 performance that I had. So probably not a bad idea. It's kind of cool. It's like a space feel. That's so sick. Are you kidding that? Should we pull it into the garage? That's unreal, man. Also very stressful getting it out of there. What do you think?
I think this is an incredible car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is a really cool car.
Electric new Porsche. This is a dream.
Yeah.
Still miss your Tesla?
Not really. Oh, wow. Makes it look pretty bad when you record me doing this right after.
Instagram people get to see it first.
All right, Maddie's gonna come out and we'll see what she thinks, and then we're gonna roll. Dude, that car is so cool. Ren, do you wanna come see it? Yeah, come here. What do you think?
Wow.
Whoa. Do you want to see the inside? Okay, here, let's go quick.
Take a sip.
Didn't even know how to open it. Oh my goodness, this is so cool.
Whoa. Should we go for a little spin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Wow. Oh, where did you get it's the S thing? Cool.
Cool. Well, hey, I'm gonna get it parked and then I'll come in, okay, Rem boy? Oh yeah, it's in there. Oh. Come on, come on, come on. Hey, thank you so much. Have a great day. Wow, the interior of this is so nice. All right, I've driven the Tesla in subpar conditions. So we're gonna see how this does. Wow, dude, the interior in this car compared to the Tesla is so night and day. Like, I've seen that on a lot of other videos and people's reviews and stuff, but it's insane how much nicer the interior is. Man, I'm so excited to get a dry road though, you know? I just don't know how it handles on this. I know it does okay, but... Ready? Whoa. Peeling out a little bit. There's a slight delay compared to the Tesla. Maybe not. I gotta get this on a dry road. It's just hard to compare. It's a completely different feel though. This feels like a substantially heavier car. Like just a beefier, bigger. It also, by being a beefier car, the suspension, the ride is way smoother than the Tesla. And granted, I had a 2018 Model 3, but like hitting bumps are so soft compared to the Tesla. I'm really curious to see the difference between this and the Plaid, because I wonder if Tesla's up their game or if this is gonna feel like a much smoother ride. All right, we're gonna go park it, and tomorrow when it's a drier day, we are going to let people know what I think. So much softer in everything. That's what's crazy. It also feels way bigger though. I'd be curious to see the size in this compared to the Model 3, because I feel like I'm pretty tight in my same spot, you know? I also don't know how the sensors on this work, so I'm kind of nervous.
Beautiful.
Thank you. It's a cool car.
Crazy that you have a Porsche now, huh?
Yeah, we need to sell some more cars. There must be a magical button there somewhere. Dude, I might have to leave this white. It just looks awesome. This is a pretty intense charging setup. So I believe that this is the same plug. Looks like it, right? I'm gonna read up on this before I just start plugging stuff in though. We will go through all of that later. I don't think my clubs are gonna fit in here. That's gonna be really sad. Didn't do that right. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell, and stay tuned because I'm going to do a first impressions video going through all of the pros and cons of this car and the Tesla Plaid once it gets here. So thanks so much and have a great day.